Not too much sun in the extended forecast. This is student meteorologist Zack Duhaime with the forecast update for this cloudy and cool Thursday. It does look like spring out there, though. We have the trees that are budding and the green grass, where the grass is actually grass out here. You see it's greening up pretty nicely and even growing. So it's definitely looking like spring, but with temperatures like this, it doesn't feel like spring. We're talking about 48 here in Danbury, 49 in Bridgeport, 59 the warm spot in New York City. That warmer is going to be working up across the state over the next, let's say, 12 to 24 hours. Much warmer by tomorrow. I'll show you that in just a few seconds. So it's muggy and even mild for the next couple of days. Showers for Friday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Then again, heavy rain for Saturday, especially in the morning hours. So it's kind of Friday afternoon and then Saturday, probably morning through midday, where the heaviest batch of rain will fall. We're hoping we can dry out for Easter, though. Right now, it looks like maybe a shower for Easter morning and then partial clearing by the afternoon, but still changeable. So we'll see what happens later on in the forecast. Clouds are pretty much locked in. You can see the clouds and the low level of moisture actually lifting from the south. That's where temperatures are in the 60s right now. But over here, 40s and 50s with lots of clouds. A little bit of mist, but not much rain. Some showers in southwest Connecticut right now. You can see just here and across the shoreline, but most of this is not going to impact the area. But again, some mist, some fog could be out there with that low level moisture kind of hanging around, and cloud cover all day long. Dry for most of the night and dry to most of tomorrow morning. By around the lunchtime hour, 1 o'clock, some downpours, maybe a rumble of thunder pass through the state, moves from, let's say, southwest to northeast, kind of like this across the state. But then temperatures rebound nicely. They'll mid to maybe upper 60s potentially tomorrow afternoon. So it's mild and it's also muggy out there. We're passing downpour by midday. And then by Saturday morning, a very heavy batch rain potentially is going to be pushing through the state from western Connecticut to eastern Connecticut. It's going to move from south to north and kind of go like this across the state. So it's going to kind of slowly project across the state. Some areas could get a couple inches within about 3 or 4 hours. So expect some poor drainage flooding if we get that heavy rain. The good news is, if you like the mild there, it's going to be mild and muggy. Dew points right here. Here's your dew point forecast, not temperature. Temperature will be in the mid to upper 60s. Add in dew points in the 60s. It's going to feel almost like a summer humidity day with scattered downpours, especially in the morning hours. But then good news is, for Sunday, we may have a morning shower. This pushes out, hopefully, fingers crossed, for dry afternoon for Easter. So hopefully that forecast stays right now. Maybe an early shower and PM clearing for the holiday for those that celebrate on Sunday. Tonight's forecast, mild, 53 degrees, clouds. Could be some patchy mist and fog around. Tomorrow, much warmer than today, mid to upper 60s. Could be afternoon downpour, but mainly dry. Not expecting an all-day rain out. If you have any plans, do not cancel them. Just be prepared for maybe a quick downpour in the afternoon. Saturday morning, heavy rain. Tapering off in the afternoon. Could be see a peak of sun for those going to Easter Vigil Mass Saturday. Right now, looking mostly dry. Can't rule out a spot shower. Could be spot shower early morning for Easter, then clear in the afternoon. So you need any afternoon Easter egg hunts. Look, right now, dry for those that celebrate. Happy Easter. For those that don't, improving weather, which is good news. Of Monday, probably not too bad. Look at that, low 60s, right where we should be. Some sun and clouds. Tuesday, by far the pick of the week. Lots of sun, low 70s. This is student meteorologist Zack Duhaime. Enjoy the rest of the week.